Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Okay, you are on Canva. Mine is personal, not the pro. I make do with the free one and it works really well. And I want to I can come and pick Remarkable too. As typed in, click on it and loads of templates will come and you pick. But when I was looking through this, the one I liked, let me show you. Let's go to back home. You put in Remarkable 2 cover, or let's say screen cover. There are many styles. But let's see, when we filter, I want marble because I'm minimalist, so not too much. And then I also want to continue and pick the free one so that I don't keep looking at the pro and I can't use them. And then when I do that, there's quite a selection, you see? But I like this one that has a spine because it's like a notebook. So I'll click on it. I can favorite it if you want to use another time. Just see something about it, but just double click on it and it will open. And you can double click on it to use it or just say customize this template. So let's double click on it. It will come here. This is what I want to use when I'm starting. And so I'll change this. I'll edit this to what I prefer. If you want, you can change the colors. I don't know if it will keep the marble. Let's see. Yes, it's one piece. So it will keep the marble. So you can edit it such that you remove this. That's what I just want to call it, my Remarkable. Yeah, you can be more creative. My Remarkable. Okay. I want this to fit in. So I can either make it bigger like this. And I think I can also change this box to be bigger so it fits a little better. And this is when you're doing minimum changes. You can be more creative and make better and bigger changes. Okay. All right. So that's how it is. I don't want this outline, so let's just delete it. Yeah. Let's put this so that it's in the middle, like that. Okay. That too. Okay. And then this is what I want it to be bigger, so that the background is like that. Now, I want to change the background. Instead of the pitch at the back, let's assume I want to make it gray. So let's bring this forward. That's the notebook. That's not what I want to change. I want to change that, which is at the back. So let's position it forward. Again, forward until it's at the top. Again, forward. Again. All right. So I want to change this color. Instead of this peach-ish color, I want to make it gray so that I cannot see how it will look. Okay, let's send it back. Position back to the back so that it just goes through all the layers to the back. So that's how it looks. I like that color combination so that even when it's on the app, you can see the colors. So let's change this to be the gray, the same gray that we had used, which is this. Okay. All right. I love that. I love that contrast, and I hope it will show on the Remarkable. Okay, so I'm not going to use this. So let's delete it. Let's delete that page. So I have this. I want some other pages, let's say like when it's shutting off or when it's restarting or suspended, to have a different page that doesn't say my Remarkable. So I could create a new one, but I'm going to duplicate this and then just remove this, and remove this. So it's just going to have that plain background. So I'm just going to download this. That's a current page. So share, download. This is PNG, so I don't need to change the type. If you're going in, you can change too many types, but I need PNG because Remarkable picks PDFs and PNGs. And then I'm going to come here to the pages. I'm not downloading all of them. I'm downloading just one, which is a current page. And so I'm done. And then I'm going to download it. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with this one. So I'll share, download it. I want page only, page 2, done. Download. All right, so now from here, we'll go to downloads and I'll show you where they are. So here they are, the front and the 2. So this is the one I want to be, let's call it the starting. And then we'll call this, for now, let's say suspended. Because they are in this format, they need to be, see, the dimensions are such that this is a 1365 by 1764 in dimensions, but Remarkable takes a specific size, pixel size. Yeah, so I'll right click it and open it with Paint because that's what I'm used to do, and I'll show you how we're going to resize this. This is where it is now. We need to resize it, and I need it to be changed the pixels and maintain, and I'm not maintaining the ratio. So this needs, the horizontal needs to be 1404 and vertical needs to be 1862. And I'm going to say okay. And it has converted. So what I'm going to do now is just save it. Let's go and I show you how I upload it. All right, to go to where your password and IP address is so that you can use the eInkpads to change the screen or to install the templates, PNG templates that created on Canvas or wherever, on Canva or wherever you're bringing them in from, you need to go to the menu. So that then you come to settings and then you come to help, and that's about, then you come to copyright licenses. Okay, and then for each of our tablets or each of our Remarkables has a unique, of course, password and your IP address. And so I'll note mine down. Of course, I'll cover them, but here and here. And anytime you are different IP address, it will be different for that specific time. All right. Once I have those, I'll go back and it's on. It has good charge. It has 62. It's charged and it's on. And it's on the same Wi-Fi. Now I need to bring my laptop. And we're going to do this together. I need to connect the USB cable. It's at the base here. I put the cable in because this needs a USB connection. So this way I've saved them, and you can see I've added two. So this was the starting, the one I created. This is the suspended. What I've done is I've replicated it and named them power off and restart. And I'll show you why, because you always have to have the names similar to the app I'm using, which is the eInk. Open our eInkpad. You're going to come in, put in your IP address, the one I've shown you how to get, and your password, and then you're going to get connected. This is what I was telling you why you need to put the names to, because the names of your documents have to match with what is here. And for me, I wanted the power off, restart crashed, starting, and suspended. So the one we created that was written My Remarkable is the starting. So it's the one I'm going to edit. So I'm going to click here. There was another one in there with the previous color that I was trying out for you. So normally here it would be starting with nothing. Yeah, your remarkable having nothing. So then I'm going to say to pick the one we made. I'm going to pick it and drop it. I'm moving it here. So I move it, I just drop it in there, and you will see how it will change. You see, this one is the gray one. That's how it changes. So your screen, if you're starting and your screen says just remarkable, the one that comes with the default that comes with remarkable, this is now how it will look. And then that's done, and it's uploaded. Automatically it uploads to your remarkable because it's connected. And I'll show you now when we are restarting. I'll do the same with the others, put them in here. We now need to restart our remarkable. So we're going to restart this. All right, so here we are. Now we're going to go to menu, settings, and restart it. Restart the remarkable. Yes. So let's see. This is what I had before, the one I was showing you, but it's going to restart. See, remarkable is starting. Mostly this is what you'd see, the blank one. So let's restart and see what we get. The idea is it's similar to what I had, it's just that this time it's more gray, and that's what you would be seeing. Okay, let's say now I want to put it sleeping, suspended, because I'm not using it for the moment. Let's do that. Just press the top, and that's now how my screen would be. And that's why I wanted this, so that then it's not boring. You can do images if you love cars, if you love Avengers, whatever it is you like, you can change it to that. And if maybe you even have your brand logos that you'd like to do that with, you can use that instead.